Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Oracle. It is time for another update, and on this chart we seem to be building a significantly more reliable and bullish structure than we actually had to within what we have been tracking on the larger time frame, which is a wave 5 part of an ending diagonal. This means we really only need to complete an A, B, C pattern here to fulfill the minimum expectations of this large wave tree. It could be the case that we would be building something even more bullish, but it is not necessary to be clear. So what am I talking about? Well, previously I have provided to you in the smaller time frame a trade setup a couple of times actually, right? I have identified this as a potential initial 5-week move to the upside. I've identified an area of support for a wave 2 correction to look for a possible entry before continuation in what could be very well a wave 3 to the upside, and this seems to be following through quite nicely. Then I have identified a secondary 1-2 setup to look for a position within. It followed through all of the expectations. It has reached the levels of support, it had 5 waves up, and it had completed the correction in 3 waves. Then on Patreon, I actually provided even a third opportunity to look for a position on this chart before taking off, because this chart has kept giving and giving. It had provided yet another 5-week move to the upside. We had another opportunity to look for a 3-wave correction and then continuation to higher prices, but of course, after such a high amount of 1-2 setups, we would typically expect to take off at some point within the wave 3. And with very little retracements, we have taken off quite aggressively from the internal 1-2 setup area of support, right? I would have here an internal 1-2 setup. We have already done, what is it, like 30%, yeah? This is not expected to be the end. This is why I'm also doing this video, because I do not expect this to be over. We can see this wave 3 extend for a significant while longer, because within this structure I am tracking an impulse. I have here another 1-2 setup. I have a wave 3 that I see to be in formation still, and yes, this could extend higher and higher and higher. And honestly, if it actually follows through this path, I might be looking for this to be an extension of this as a wave 3 to the upside, right? This didn't have to be the entire wave 3. It could have been a wave A up. This would have been my wave B down, and a wave C could extend extremely aggressively. And now I do a callback to the beginning of the video where I said that this is not necessary, and it isn't. But this is something realistic we could be tracking. I wouldn't really care too much because I plan to stay within this position for as long as the momentum allows it, for as long as this structure becomes actually more bullish. So I am going to look here in the internal structure where it is still quite bullish. There's still a quite strong momentum that we see here, and I could identify a couple of areas of support. It's maybe not perfectly clear, but this is to be commonly expected as we build such bullish patterns. So I could identify here something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This would have to be my larger main area of support, where if I actually see this broken, it's a pretty strong warning sign that this move up would still see a failure, because in case you haven't noticed, we have not broken the orange levels of resistance yet. The threat is still there, but we do not really care at this point because our buy regions have been significantly lower than where I would even consider to place a stop loss within this move to the upside, which is below the 50% retracement here in white. So this is the main area of support. The 50% retracement in white is what I do not want to see broken. And if I go into an even smaller time frame, realistically, this could actually pick up even more if you believe that. But I could identify, even here, possibly a series of 1-2 setups that could still take off extremely aggressively. But if not that, potentially, at the very least, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I would expect for each additional 1, 2 setup here, which is a couple, an additional 4, 5 structure, right? Now, let's not get into too many details. The levels of support I would like to be held for this interpretation would have to be here, down to the 50% retracement internally, for the possibility of this being a wave 3, if this is actually another wave 1 to the upside. I wouldn't want a deeper retracement anyway, because it would require the momentum to be lost. So let's say we track this in blue. This is the earliest I would be looking for an opportunity in this structure, but the main area of support will have to remain the white wave 4. And to be clear, again, this could still turn into another 1-2 setup. There are many degrees to which this could still turn into something more bullish. That is actually quite difficult to tell because we have very little structure, but in terms of what it needs to do to remain bullish, it would have to hold the white levels of support. And for now, we will stop here. These are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and if you enjoyed the content and want to support it directly, check out the channel membership, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.